Alright, I know you read the title. Today, I'm going to be showing you how you can make your own functional lava lamp with some normal household items. Alright, for our first step, grab any old container you have sitting around in your house. Then, grab a clear bottle of water. Simply unscrew the top of the bottle and start pouring out the water into the empty container. Keep pouring until about 3/4 of your bottle's water is inside your container. Now, after emptying out all the water in the container, grab some vegetable oil. Then, pour the same amount of water you poured into your container, but as vegetable oil. Then, pour that oil from the container into your bottle of water. Make sure there's a little pocket of air at the top of the bottle. Now, if you want a cooler effect, you can add a drop of food coloring. Now, here's where the magic happens. Pull out one of your Alka Seltzer pills, break it in half, and simply drop them inside your bottle of water. Now, just watch the magic happen. Now, as you can see, the reaction does wear off after a little bit, but just drop in another one of your Alka Seltzer pills and the reaction will reset.